Hello, this is Daisy from the Woodcrest Library, and in this video we will be making a flower craft. You will be able to pick up your craft kit at the Woodcrest Library. You will need the following items at home: a pair of scissors and a glue stick. Alrighty, let's get started with this craft. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut out your flower petals, your leaves, and the inner circle. Once we have everything cut out, we're going to go ahead and start putting our flower together. We're going to grab one petal and we're going to go ahead and put some glue at the end of the tip of the petal. We're going to go ahead and put some glue at the end of the petal, and we're just going to go ahead and paste this down like so. And we're going to do the same thing for the rest of the petals. Once all our flower petals are glued down, we're going to go ahead and take our stem and we're going to go ahead and glue this down. Once all our petals are glued down and the stem is glued down, we're going to go ahead and flip our flower. And we're going to glue down some leaves. Alrighty, and that's our flower craft. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye!